Chocolate ice cream sucks. There's nothing delicious about it. All
Wait,
flavors?
did they slice the banana this way?
Yeah.
Yo, they sliced the banana long ways.
5:52 p.m. Banana split time.
Oh, is that cookies and cream?
Yeah. Oreo. That one.
And what's on the other side?
Your chocolate ice cream?
It
looks
What's
like
better?
the make-believe food from Pan.
What's your
Wait,
favorite?
there's chocolate in there.
What's your favorite ice cream? What's your favorite ice cream?
Probably cookies and cream.
Is chocolate ice cream good?
It's okay.
Yes!
What?
Chocolate ice cream sucks!
What?
Yes, it does. You suck.
Thank you.
Look at you all. Look at you. Look at all the people who happen to love chocolate ice cream.
What does that mean?
Listen, I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna say it. Chocolate ice cream sucks. There's nothing delicious about it. It just doesn't do anything for anyone. They're lying. They can't eat a whole bowl of it because it's too rich.
Get me one right now. Right now. You don't get a dad bod like this without munching chocolate ice cream.
Yeah.
Jolly,
Yes.
you like chocolate ice cream?
I love chocolate ice cream.
Oh, my boy.
I love that.
Is this build plans for shit car?
Yeah.
Look at this
Documents.
paperclip.
You gotta throw eyes on it so it looks like a Microsoft paperclip.
Yo, what was his name? Extra credit. Microsoft paperclip got a name.
That guy doesn't matter when Stick Stickley's around. Guys, I'm sorry I'm so opinionated. I apologize. Just pressing all of my, just force feeding you all my opinions. all
Your
the time.
opinions suck with
I'm
food
sorry.
though.
You suck with food. Ketchup on eggs is trash.
Ketchup on eggs is
Chocolate
great.
ice cream is trash. See, I'm
Chocolate
over
ice
here-
cream is awesome.
I'm over here trying to apologize and be nice, and you're pressuring me to be a mean fucking jerk.
What?
Ketchup on eggs. Him. What? Ketchup on eggs, you weirdo. Rob Parsons. What was it? The drip or was it? No. Eggs omelet with avocado on top. Ketchup.
That's bomb.
Yo, there's an acronym for it, and once there's an acronym, you know it's official. Called SPK, salt, pepper, ketchup. People know it. You say it in order.
ASS. Ass.
What the? Wow, this is a great.
Turn the camera off. I don't want to do this thing.
You're gonna make the internet hate you because you're doing all the wrong things.
You're making my wheels look bad.
These just look great on this car.
No, if they were triple chrome, they would look fire.
Yo, honestly, I wish I could try some triple
Yeah.
chrome VSK.
Blitz.
03s on these.
Yeah, no, I might go get these triple chromes, but I want 18 faces.
What are these?
Those are 17 faces, stepped up 18.
Oh, step lips are the best.
No, Blitz 03s have to be straight.
No way, straight step lip.
You gotta look at it. I said. Because like I thought the same thing.
I only really like flat lip on like Vip style cars. Like, I mean, I guess KFs pull it off.
You gotta trust me.
All right.
I'll show you when I see some. I'll show you.
Yeah. See some.
Hopefully I get some because I'd like to keep these gold.
How
but
many sets of wheels do you have already?
You gotta have.
You have like 40 sets of wheels. You don't even have enough cars for wheels.
Listen, that's besides the point. It's not about how many wheels I have.
It's about how many wheels there are in the world.
Exactly.
Right.
Gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them all. Catch my wheels.
You throwing them?
No, I'm catching the wheels.
Oh, who catches like that? Where do you learn to play
Pokemon.
sports?
Pokemon.
You're like a video game nerd. You never played
Pokemon.
sports.
I bowl.
Catching.
I'll fuck everyone up here in bowling.
Not
I'll fuck Jesse up. I'm not afraid of him.
Jesse!
I'm not afraid of him.
Jesse!
He bowled it one time, never even got close to bowling it again.
These are not
All right?
certified.
Oh, did you see Brian's?
Yo,
Did you see the nail through Brian's
sketchy. Brian got a nail.
Well, here's the thing: is we work in the shanty. The shanty has no climate control, so it goes through waves of hot and cold. So sometimes you just be wearing shoes, and their feet start stinking. So you gotta switch out to the Crocs, even if it is embarrassing to walk outside and have just Crocs on. So
See that form?
trash.
ASS.
Take you to bowl school. Take you to Strike
Let's
City.
go. Let's bowl for pinks.
No.
All right, let's bowl for wheels.
That's even more expensive. The wheels cost more than the car.
No. We get to keep our own wheels.
Wait, we just get the naming rights of best wheel? So like if I win, the LM is...
No. If you win, I have to run LMs. I have to get my own LMs.
You have to buy it.
Yeah, I have to get my own LMs and run them for a year. If you win, or if I win, you got to run the ugliest KFs in the world.
No, like 18 by 8s? Like no lip?
Listen, man.
Ugh. I thought you were going to say, I don't know how to say the word. Was it Cerebrus 2?
Cerebus.
Cerebrus 2s?
You guys are losers.
That's fucked up. I kind of like Cerebrus.
Cerebus.
Cerebrus. See, no one knows how to
Cerebrus.
say it.
Honestly, I don't know if Cerebus is right.
No idea. No.
I think Cerebus is right.
Yeah, who knows? Does it say it on
But-
there? Could we all just try reading?
Cerebus wheels, they're not ugly, okay? You're hating.
No, I think they look good on some cars.
Yeah, they're
They're just an acquired taste.
Those are acquired. That's acquired. VSXXs look better than that.
I beg to differ.
I'm faster than I look, alright?
It's true.
All right.
Charlie, you got three cams going here. Look, what's
Charlie's
this?
over here
What's this setup?
Where the fuck is the button? Fucking turn this.
It's not rolling on this one.
Oh, it's all GoPro you're shooting?